Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Take Me Out. This is Anita Brito and today's guests are two amazing actors who are currently promoting their upcoming film औरों में कहाँ दम था. आइए उनसे मिलते हैं और देखते हैं कितना दम है उनमें आज. Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Anita.
That's-
Should we stand
yes,
up? Yeah,
please.
thank
That's
you.
Shantanu Maheshwari.
Yeah, that's
Sorry.
me. Yeah.
And that's Sahi Manjrekar. Hello. So, like I was telling my audience that, oh, how sweet. How sweet. Yeah, I always put it here. So, like I was telling my audience, आप लोग बहुत busy हो फिलहाल.
Yes.
मूवी आ रही है बहुत जल्द. औरों में कहाँ दम था.
बिल्कुल.
How exciting are you?
How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I don't know how this became a Sai interview from a Sai and Shantanu interview, but I am super excited, very nervous. Can't wait for the 5th of July. And Shantanu, how excited are you?
Very excited. But nervous also. I don't know, somehow today nervousness is creeping in. But yeah, I mean really excited. ज़्यादा excited.
But उससे ज़्यादा excited हो मेरे साथ आज दिन बिताने के लिए.
Oh yes, yes.
Yes, so I have plan. बोलिए आपको.
नहीं, मेरे को लगा सबसे पहले हम लोग पूल में जा रहे हैं.
Oh,
So 1,
no.
2, 3,
No, no,
and
no,
you
no,
back.
no, we're not doing that. But yes, we are going to have lots
Lots
of
of fun.
fun today. So let's begin our day. क्या बोलते हैं?
Let's
चलें?
go, let's go.
चलो, let's go. So we are going to have an exciting day. देखते हैं आज ये क्या करेंगे. तो मुझे बताइए नॉर्मली आप लोग का डे कैसा रहता है. आप यहाँ आ जाइए
normal-
because you have the mic.
Okay.
So how is your normal days when you're promoting and all, or when you're not promoting? How is it?
Promoting तो promotions ही रहते हैं
हाँ,
पूरे दिन.
पूरा
सुबह हाँ उठो फटाफट रेडी हो and then yeah start.
But do you all enjoy promotion?
Yeah, I love
Yeah?
talking.
Yeah, I love
What is the best
Even he
part
loves
about
talking,
promotion?
even
I think the best part is getting to meet you guys because आप any otherwise तो मिल नहीं पाते because आप लोग भी बहुत busy होते हो and इस हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के बहाने एटलीस्ट चिट चैट हो जाता है. थोड़ा ऑफ कैमरा भी गुफ्तगू होती है and थोड़ा ऑन कैमरा भी होती है. So that is something that I really look forward and obviously it's our project so
Yeah.
you want to talk about it and you want people to
No,
watch
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Right. But ऐसा कुछ मस्ती सोचा है आज क्या करने वाले हैं हम?
मैं तो अभी था आप करने नहीं दिया आपने.
वो But I'm going to, आज आपकी कलाकारी थोड़ा हम देखेंगे.
Oh.
That is with cooking.
She's
Okay.
very good.
I know. I mean,
Perfect.
but you're good at eating.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
eaten together.
I'm good at both.
So उसका वैसा है कि बना के खुद ही खा.
No, while making, you can
Yeah,
just
but I
eat
have
it.
a habit at home. I get yelled at a lot because मैं वो पतीले से सीधा खा लेती हूँ. And they say something ना कि पतीले से खाए तो कुछ पति something
पति
they
से हाँ
said.
लेट शादी होती है.
हाँ.
Yeah, ऐसा
Then I
कुछ है.
stopped
I didn't
eating
know
from the
this.
पतीले.
I didn't know this.
प्लेट में लेके चुपचाप खा रही हूँ अभी.
इसलिए मेरी शादी नहीं हुई.
पतीले से
eat
क्यों
a
खा
lot.
रहे हो आप?
Don't do that.
Let's not do that. तो चलो, they are waiting for us and we are going to make something exciting. And one, वो उसमें से एक डिश साई का बहुत फेवरेट है. मैंने अभी पता चला मुझे.
Oh.
Ramen.
So ramen we are
Oh,
gonna make.
nice.
Yeah, so
I
let's
Yes.
super.
चलो,
चलो,
let's
let's
go.
go there. तो हम अभी अपनी सवारी में बैठ गए हैं and we are heading towards the restaurant where we are going to cook. I want to know कि घर पे सबसे ज़्यादा खाना आपने बनाया है? आपने तो बनाया, आपने बताया.
मॉम और डैड वेकेशन के लिए गए थे और नॉर्मली मॉम खाना बनाती है
हाँ.
क्योंकि सबको सिर्फ उनके का खाना अच्छा लगता है. एंड देन व्हेन शी वेंट आई काइंड ऑफ टुक दैट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी अपॉन माय सेल्फ. एंड देन Chubu, who has been in my house for years, he's called mama and said, "ताई तुमचे हात घेतलेत." And I was like, yeah. He said like the
yeah.
taste is similar, so I was very happy. So I make a lot of food now.
So what do you make the best?
I make the best chocolate chip cookies and the best butter
अभी
chicken.
तो ऑफर करती.
नहीं खिलाया
बनाकर
कभी?
नहीं
On
बनाकर
set?
नहीं लेकर.
आप लंच के लिए वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे थे सर. चॉकलेट चिप कुकीज खाओगे?
Diet restrict.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है वो तो.
You just like vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm off dairy, that's the reason.
So chocolate chip cookies has a
हाँ,
lot
but
of
एक खा
dairy.
सकते हैं यार.
ठीक है, offer. I'll
Yeah,
get next
yeah.
time. Done.
What about you, Shantanu? Do you cook at home?
I used to, अब तो नहीं करता हूँ. मतलब अब मेरे को बोर लगता है because I know how to cook, so I don't know, somehow I don't feel that therapeutic vibe नहीं आती है मुझे. मतलब ऐसा है कि हाँ ठीक है कर सकता हूँ मैं if I have to. Like बेसिक खाना बनाना आता है. रोटी गोल बेलनी आती है.
Okay.
You know, that kind of things. Yeah, दाल चावल.
मैं आलू को गोल रोटी से रोटी किसी भी शेप में अच्छी लगती है मुझे.
टेस्टी.
अगर खुद बना के खुद खा रहे हो तो yes. कोई
कोई
और
shape अच्छी
खाता है तो.
लाइक मुझे बराबर राउंड बनाने आती है, बट आई एम नॉट इन द मूड ना कोई भी शेप में बना के आई कैन ईट.
हाँ वही.
I normally just order those frozen ones and I heat them on the tawa.
Oh.
Make life easier.
Yeah, that's easy.
But how has it been on the sets? Like this is the first time you both are working with each other. उन्होंने आपको खाना नहीं खिलाया, but आपने उनको खाना खिलाया कि नहीं on sets?
नहीं.
हमने एक दूसरे को मिठाई खिलाई है लेकिन.
हाँ. But it was great working with सही actually. मतलब मजा आया. ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कुछ भी कोई ऐसा कि हम restriction है या फिर I can't talk to her or I have to give her own space at times. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हम तो chill out करते थे. हम लोग को ऐसा लगता था borderline किसी से गाली खाने वाले.
That's on me, yeah. I'm sorry. मैं इसको बहुत distract करती हूँ. मैं बहुत बात करती हूँ and then I keep distracting everyone. Someone's doing work, I'll pick them out, be like बात कर मुझसे.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought Shantanu is the most talkative one. I didn't know he.
नहीं पर सही है.
तो सही. I've always seen you very calm.
I'm still shy. No, I'm still shy.
Once she opens up to
Yeah.
a person, I think then she can just talk and talk randomly also. Like ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. And then इसके ऊपर वो कुछ ना कुछ बोल सकती है. पूरा ऐसे लिख सकती है कि ये क्यों नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. That's the reason I thought this reminded me of that, and this is the reason I'm not happy. What do you think? ऐसा रहता है
See,
उसका.
I think I was talking about this like I was saying I like this car because my friend has it. Then I'll name drop the friend. Then I'll say, oh, that friend bought it from here.
And then she only counter argue that नहीं उसके पास नहीं है. What am I saying? So yeah, I mean, she's that happy energy.
मतलब set was a lot of fun.
Yeah. With her it was super fun. Yeah.
Superb. ऐसे बातों में पता ही नहीं चला हम पहुंच गए यार.
Oh yes.
So let's go. I'm तो super hungry. What about you all? खाया था सुबह से कुछ?
नहीं.
चलो अपने ही हाथ से आप बनाओगे आज.
हाँ,
और
time- मैं तो वो सोच रहा हूँ टाइम लगेगा. सुपर हंग्री अभी खाना बनाना है फिर खाना है.
नहीं बनाते
चख ले. हाँ जो बट शादी नहीं होगी याद रखना.
पतीले से नहीं बाहर निकाल के.
हाँ, एक चमचे में बाहर निकालेंगे, प्लेट में डालेंगे, फिर
फिर
प्लेट से
plate से
खाएंगे.
खाएंगे. Done. चलो let's go.
Okay, I will mix it.
Anything like
I will mix it. Mix it.
little awake and alive.
The vanilla with
Can I get it in the coconut? Sorry. Yeah.
I will. Vanilla or something. Lychee with vanilla with pineapple. It's sweet and sour and the egg is something. Okay? Give me 1 second. 1 second.
The gram you're talking now, I was medium, goes like wild. Looks yum. But you wanted to coconut, now what happened to that?
Ma'am, change the mind.
I changed my mind.
Interesting.
Very interesting. We'll wait for you also to come and look at that. Let's go.
Yeah, it's a rice straw we are using over here.
That's so nice.
Yes, ma'am. It's for you.
It's yum!
Thank you so much.
Dairy? Sorry? Yeah, it's vanilla, right? It's yum!
This is first one what we will be making for you, the lychee and the vanilla.
Lychee and pineapple.
Lychee pineapple with
Cheers to
vanilla.
our day.
Cheers.
Taking
Right.
out with Sai and Shantanu here.
Yeah.
Yeah, your outfit also cooking. Ready? Chalo. Shantanu, are you going to dance while cooking? Are you going to do that?
Technically, it's not patela, so I can eat from it.
Yeah.
It's a patil. It's a bowl.
Yay!
Chalo, chalo, ready.
Chef Java. 1 second, guys. So sorry.
Yes.
Shantanu is quick. उनको भूख भी लगी है by the way. इस वजह से फटफट हो रहा है उनका. I'm also struggling.
How do you do it with the other one? There, I did it.
Okay. Okay.
We are making pura maki by the
Sorry, what are we making?
pura maki.
पूरा माँ.
Pura maki.
पूरा
Okay.
माँ. सबकी माँ.
नहीं. सिर्फ पूरा की बात है.
You're making से पूरा की maki.
पूरा maki.
पूरा maki.
पानी लगाए दीजिए आप.
ये वाला?
पूरे हाथ में.
अरे ले.
इतना सारा पानी. It has to be act of precision.
It's precise.
Prejudice.
It's very
Rub
precise.
it. Yeah, it has to be very
Like
precise.
how?
Just dig it.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And spread it all over.
Is it flat like?
Yeah, flat.
Ah, okay.
You know, can you give me one more please? Because we all three need to be in one place.
Is that? Yeah, sure.
पूरा ढकना है ना? Okay.
Sharing is caring, people.
पर आप ही तो पूरा ढक दो.
But with lesser rice.
नहीं, full.
Don't put wrong.
Okay.
Spread it.
2 राइस के दाने जो है मैंने इधर से इधर रख दिए हैं. बस जो खेल है
मुझे ये बताइए कैसा लग रहा है फिलहाल?
मजे आ रहे हैं.
Sticky. That was the idea actually.
और वही महसूस हो रहा है तो या चिकट
Cut.
ये ठीक है कि
But
ज़्यादा
Sai, you also have a restaurant, right?
Yes.
Your dad has a beautiful restaurant.
Yes.
Have you ever been? मतलब how often do you go there? What?
I love the food there, but that's technically the food that's made in my house.
Achha.
The whole idea of the restaurant is you don't take the food made in my house for everyone. The food made in my house is yum.
Nice.
So I don't end up going there often to eat. I end up going there to chill. Excuse me.
I'm ready.
Stop. Joel, take your back. You're bad.
So you can clearly see there's cheating happening here. You know ना इसके बाद एक ये भी है कि किसने कितना अच्छा बनाया उसका वो.
अच्छा वो भी है
हाँ,
ये तो मैंने लिया था.
Goodness, I tell you, these kids nowadays.
But is this the first time you all are making this? पहले
Yes.
आपने
Yes,
बनाया?
yeah.
Yeah.
I've only done the eating, not the making.
I'm not
Today you're going
eating this,
to
so I'm
make
excited.
and eat at the same time.
Oh,
So it's
same
gonna
time तो पता अलग हो जाएगा.
Ah, let's do that. We had promised people, right? We are going to just
डाल ऊपर. खाते खाते सीधा. शांतनु को डाल रहा है खाना लेके आओ.
देखो कोई भी कुछ भी बोले दाल राइस घर पे बनता है वो
हाँ।
भी सबको ज्यादा पसंद
वही।
है नो मैटर वेयर यू
That
ट्रैवल
is
एंड
true.
व्हाट यू
कुकर में डाला मस्त 3
Yes.
सीटी ज़्यादा हो गई बट ठीक है. 2 सीटी में हो जाता है काम.
बट टेल मी
2 सीटी से 3 सीटी ज्यादा हो गई.
3 सीटी में ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
हाँ.
Very sorry.
बट टेल मी योर ट्रैवल स्टोरीज हैव यू ट्रैवल्ड where have you traveled and you know tried different cuisines something that is very different and new for you all.
So there's this one place in Matheran that is the best Szechuan Maggi.
Ooh.
I probably shouldn't have started with that, but and the best cutting ilaichi chai.
Okay. So you're a
That's
tea
top
lover.
one.
You're a tea
No, I'm
lover.
only that tea lover.
Okay.
I only like that tea.
ये और अभी और ये बच गया सही है. अच्छा हुआ काम.
किसका बेटर है?
Thank you.
हाँ मेरा करना है देखो रुको यार. मेरे हाथ छोटे हैं, इनके हाथ मेरे से बड़े हैं.
Shantanu, what about you?
Yeah. What about me? I've been to actually because she said Matheran. I will say.
No, I'll change my answer to sound a little more well traveled यार. I'll
No यार.
मनाली की मैगी भी बहुत अच्छी है.
stop talking about it. No, but I have to say in Spain I ate the best devil legs. चलो I
Devil legs.
Yeah, चलो that was yum.
I don't know. I mean, Malaysia में I used to eat chicken back then. So उन लोग skin के साथ खाते हैं, बहुत अजीब ढंग से खाते हैं. I felt very weird that they, no offense, people खाया मैंने.
Hainanese chicken rice
I don't know
is
what was it.
amazing. Hainanese chicken rice with skin and they give a little rice and then some broth and then little
Yeah, there was
sticky
broth.
chutney
Yeah.
and some
I
cucumbers.
think, yeah. This was it.
You
Yeah.
don't like that?
No, I didn't.
I love it.
With skin, it's.
पर यहाँ पर भी खाते हैं with skin chicken.
हाँ मतलब खाते हैं मैं नहीं.
अभी बंद किया
अभी तो बंद ही कर दिया.
But what is the
Chicken
reason?
don't
Was
love
there a
chicken.
reason for you to stop eating?
So I started eating मतलब chicken health की वजह से खाने लगा था. तो मैं I started with boiled chicken. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब yeah. So I could eat chicken ऐसा नहीं है मतलब but it's just that after a point I felt like then I saw this documentary on one of the platforms. So
I know.
where
Even
it
I-
changed my game.
Yeah, even I've become pescatarian.
अगर सही का प्रॉन्स आ जाए तो हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं कि भूख तो काफी लगी है कुछ लोगों को.
ऐसे खा लेते हैं ना ऐसे ऊपर से.
या वही
I ate my maybe complete. I only stole it from him.
थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ
No. I don't like that.
Wow.
I only like the end of it, like that part. But don't do that. Don't spoil that practice. Don't do that. It's not serious. I don't know why I'm asking him not to do it.
But
I
take
want
it
to
no.
take one kakadi back. It's like a wish bone. You want to do a wish kakadi?
और मैं कदम था.
Or a wish. Do wish and then pull, okay?
1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, tell me about the movie. You all are playing younger Ajay Devgan and Tabu. When you all first time met them, किसने ice break किया? क्या था? How was the conversation like?
You technically met them only once.
हाँ.
Really?
Yeah.
Like during shoot, yeah.
मतलब पूरे शूट में you all are not move
है कुछ जगह है मतलब बट ऐसे पर वो आप सिर्फ वो बात करते हो ना मतलब उस समय आप जोन में होते हो सीन के. ऑफ कैमरा वी ओनली गॉट लाइक टू चिल वंस आई वुड से.
Yeah.
How was that?
It was quite chill.
Yeah, very chill. Like they were both so kind, so sweet, and they were asking us about our experiences. It was really nice.
How are you feeling about the film and this and that? If you're enjoying it. Very approachable and down to earth. It's not
Yeah.
something that you can't talk to them. It's just that you have to talk sense and you can't like
Especially in front of
anything.
Tabu ma'am, you have to have that.
No, but
she's
she's
very-
also really chill.
Yeah.
Like she seems like a serious person. Even I used to think that maybe I can't like joke around in front of her, but she's really chill.
Nice. That's nice. But the film is also about love.
Yes.
Love, बचपन का प्यार जो like intense love. What is your idea of love?
Honestly, right now, it's very tempting. I love no, genuinely. But I show my love to people, like feeding the people I love. I love eating with the people I love. Like, I love going out on like dinner dates. So like just to go out to eat. I love talking about food with people I love. So food is a very big part in the way I show love.
Keeping your the person who you love happy.
Yeah.
That is what my love is.
Yeah.
To be it any way possible. They don't have to be grand gestures. I think it can be like sweet, just small things, what they like, what they don't like at times. Because we're talking about food and everything, what they don't like on table or
Yeah.
table manners maybe at times. Something of that sort. So I think just keep your loved ones happy. That's my idea of love. Yeah.
Like I feel like the purest form of love is remembering your friends' ice cream orders. I remember everyone's ice cream orders. If I'm going to an ice cream place, I just know what to pick up for
Oh,
them.
lovely.
So I don't have to call them and ask them. So like we've reached that stage now. It's not serious with
How
friends.
sweet. How sweet. आ गए आपके prawns आ गए.
Whoa.
Yay!
ये आपको प्रॉन्स में.
Okay. Well, we're talking.
अब आपको यहाँ से
हाँ, that's-
एक स्क्रब, एक स्क्रब.
Very nice.
Genuinely very good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
First time and like, not bad, huh? Not bad at all.
Nice, nice.
My
Very happy. Very happy, very happy.
Yeah.
अभी काटना है.
Can I be cut?
कट करेंगे ना
Hold it and then cut.
और टाइट कर सकते हैं उसको टाइट करने के लिए हमको क्या करना है ये है मैट को लेना है इसे पीछे हल्का सा ये खींचते हैं उसके बाद
मेरा टाइप नहीं
ये कर-
करूँ मैं.
वो भी टाइट करना पड़ेगा मैम
ठीक है, करना पड़ेगा ना यहाँ पे. चाकू
ये
से
आपका
पहले टाइट.
टाइट हो ये स्कोर बाय स्कोर में और ये होता है
ओके
मेरा भी टाइट.
और उसके बाद फिर जो ये है ये हल्का सा बाहर लेने का इसको मैट को इसे पकड़ के ये जो राइस बाहर आ रखा है ना उसको अंदर पुश करना है
अच्छा वो चक्कू से करते हैं
चाकू से नहीं उंगली से
उंगली से करना है ओके चाकू से
चाकू नहीं करता यस
अभी ठीक है मेरा.
Yes.
Nice,
Perfect. Very
nice.
good.
Now cutty time. First in the middle.
ओ सर
Hold it.
मैम 1 मिनट
Sorry.
मैट को हटाना है
मैट को हटा. मैट कट जाएगा. Oh.
नाइफ को खूब चटाना वैसा नहीं
I did it.
Very good.
Who's turn?
एक दो तीन
Not bad for the first time.
front shape and all huh?
Very
nice
nice.
nice detailing and all huh?
Very lovely. ना गार्निश करना बचा ना.
तीखा.
thank you guys
Shantanu's turn to finish now.
Nice. Very nice.
yeah
Perfect. अभी नहीं, अभी
Please
नहीं
go ahead.
यार.
Please go ahead. नहीं खा लो हाथ में ले लो, खा
yeah
लो.
yeah
Cheers करके खा लो.
not bad अपने हाथ का सबको अच्छा लगता है
मैं ट्राई करके बताऊं किसका क्या है.
yeah please
Oh. आपको तो मजा आया कि नहीं?
बहुत मजा आया.
नेक्स्ट टाइम आई कम आप लोग मुझे
यहाँ पे कुछ
कुछ
हम आपको वहाँ पे नहीं मिलेंगे उस साइड नहीं मिलेंगे हम आपको इस साइड
यहाँ
मिलेंगे
Suddenly we've like become full pro chef.
yeah
But I love this. Yeah.
yeah it is
But like I promised, Sai wanted to make something that she loves.
yeah
That's ramen. So we're gonna make ramen now. Let's go.
let's go
चलो ये हो गया अभी next. Very funny. Why? Shantanu is very conscious about his hair.
हाँ
Yes?
मतलब आफ्टर पॉइंट हाँ वो नहीं हो पाएंगे
है ना मगर आपके यहाँ he is there to help you out with your hair.
you're looking good also it's like very cap you have put
If you have to suggest a place, what would that be?
let's come to Dadar first
Yeah, come to the other place. And then we.
because she's very good now she will drop names
Yeah, so it depends on what you want to eat. Give me a vibe you want to feel. Like, do you want to be like fine dine or do you want to be like आज कुछ खाना है?
आज कुछ खाना. मेरा always वो आज कुछ खाना है.
So in Dadar, very obvious choice to start with Ashok Vada Pav.
Okay.
You come to a Shivaji Park and you eat the Bhaji Pav on Shivaji Park. Okay? You go to a Gypsy Corner. You know Gypsy Corner?
No, I
You
will
go to
find
Gypsy
out.
Corner and we eat Pani Puri.
should have
you-
be like voice recording of this
Then you go back to Shivaji Park to have some gola if that's your vibe.
काला खट्टा.
Then you walk ahead
आइए. हाँ. या
and
आप
you
start कर
go-
दीजिए.
You walk ahead and you go to get ice cream.
Okay.
From ice cream, you walk a little ahead, you go to a place called China Valley.
You live in Dadar?
Tapati is Dadar.
Because she's so
Arey, she's
yeah.
इसमें आपको नूडल डालना है।
इसमें नूडल्स डालने हैं।
हाँ,
कितना?
आप 1 पर्सन के लिए
No, it's a trick to try it. So what you do is you make a hole here with a knife or something and you remove the whole thing. Try it. See if it works.
Whole as in,
Wait, I'm giving it to you.
but it's a boiled egg, na?
Yeah.
बॉयल है।
You make a hole in the top. Yeah. And now try peeling it off. It's easier. It comes out in one go. Okay, now, after you're done with that, now then just do. Now peel it off. See?
Yeah, but I'll show you another trick. That's much easier. All you have to do is roll.
Yeah.
It's not a trick. I winked at the camera to make you do random things. We're trying to get you on camera, trying to make a hole in a boiled egg.
Now we need to cut into pieces.
स्पोर्ट चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Let's do.
जैसे आपने देखा हमारे दो कलाकारों ने बहुत अच्छे तरह इतने प्यार से इतना यमी खाना बनाया तो हमने सोचा कि अब उनका टेबल जो है थोड़ा हम भर
spread
दें
करें,
यस
तो पेट भी भर दे।
पेट भी भर जाए दिल तो खुश हो गया है तो अभी खाने से भी खुश कर ले
बिल्कुल.
यस so what are we having now you're having your ramen you're having your veg ramen
No, it's a
There's no
poke bowl.
Poke bowl.
That's the papaya salad. That's the avocado chicken salad. There's the cream cheese dumpling. There's the mushroom dumpling. There's the prawn tempura sushi.
Woo! Woo! She wow you remembered everything that was told Woo!
There was veg sushi, which is already there in the stomach. So yeah, let's
let's
dig in.
begin
Let's. Should we just
खाते
begin?
खाते
पतीले में
बात
से?
करेंगे हाँ
पतीले में से
अब
सीधा.
अब छोड़ दो अब वो दिन गए so
I love papaya salad so much.
this is yum Off lately I've started liking avocado a lot yeah so not
Hmm?
I want the peanut.
nice very nice so it's about first love it's about childhood love let's go थोड़ा deeper in your childhood love and वो पहला प्यार याद है आप लोग को
वो प्यार नहीं था ना लेकिन बचपन का
क्या था?
एकदम बचपन का. There was no infatuation.
Yeah. मतलब ऐसा.
you don't get into her answer you have to
नहीं, मतलब,
मतलब he wanted to answer something else
No, I didn't want to answer something else. I was like, yeah, I mean, it was infatuation initially, but that also happened quite late for me. I feel I was just too busy playing sports.
Really, you played sports?
Yeah,
I used to run away from sports.
Oh,
Yeah.
what did you play
any kind of outdoor sports, be it cricket, be it not much of football, but I still know if everyone is playing football, then badminton, you have basketball. Love to play. Yeah.
नहीं but then dancing कैसे आ गया फिर उसमें
डांसिंग तो साइमल्टेनियसली आ गया. मतलब मम्मी ने टैलेंट देखा तो बोला कह रहे बच्चे में टैलेंट है इसको डांस करवाओ. You know, I think mom had dancing talent and singing talent which she couldn't pursue, and she saw that in me, so she was like कि इसको तो आगे बढ़ाते हैं इसमें. So yeah, so
बट यहाँ मूवी में भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने हैं
yes.
एंड डिड यू कोरियोग्राफ एनीथिंग
No, no,
हाउ
राजू खान सर जो है उन्होंने कोरियोग्राफी की है सारे. They are not like really like elaborate dance numbers, I would say.
Yeah, they're more like montage.
हाँ, they are
vibes,
more
yeah.
into story movers actually. But I would have loved to dance on two.
Yeah, it would have been fun. for you to
The
dance.
Sukinder sir का part
Yeah.
जो है, that would have been super fun.
Yeah.
But it's okay. ऐसे कुछ वो नहीं. अलग से करेंगे बाहर.
Yeah, whatever.
अभी promotion में करेंगे.
बिफोर वी रैप अप यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म फॉर मी अ लिटिल स्मॉल
खाने के बाद?
हां थोड़ा सा डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा वो डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा दैट इज व्हाई
कर लेंगे
बट
कुछ
यस
ना कुछ.
कर लेंगे
We'll do it. Done.
you tell me about your first
My first
love.
My first love. I think the first time I ever fell in love was with the Tree of Cupcakes.
Your stories are all about.
I'm kidding,
Yeah?
obviously. I'm not serious right now. The first time I think I was in love, probably I thought I was in love in the first grade when I had a crush on this boy and I was like, I want to.
1 second. Huh?
But I was like, I want to marry him and you know, he should be my husband and he'll paint my
First grade.
nails for me. Yeah. I was a full like, we'll stay in my little Barbie doll house. I had all these big dreams. And now I'm just like, what an idiot I was.
So what is now? What is your ideal man? What do you look at in a
I think
boy? Man.
someone who's kind, someone who is loyal for starters, and for main course. Sorry.
It was in my head, but I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to say it.
No, but
Yeah.
हाँ
हाँ मैं बोलती जाती हूँ. Someone who.
Thank you.
Ooh, yours looks cool.
Please have it.
No, yours is veg. I'm kidding. Veg food is good, guys. Eat vegetables. But loyal, kind, honest, and honestly, someone I can just be completely myself with. Like, okay, so I have this dance called the Shinchan dance that I do. It's very bad, and whoever I can do it in front of, they're in.
Even if you can embarrass yourself in front of that person and you will not judge it, you will not. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Okay. Yeah, correct.
That kind of focus.
Because I'm always embarrassing myself anyways, so I might as well have someone who doesn't judge me.
That's true.
Point. Yeah. You should be yourself in front of. Like could be.
Yeah.
Be comfortable enough,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think
What
that's
about you?
Oh, मैंने बोल नहीं दिया था क्या?
Nahin.
नहीं.
You have to give your list now. So
कुछ नहीं. I think it needs to be understanding, good sense of humor. Someone who I can talk to about anything, as she said. And just be able to, there's एक खुशी देते हैं. आप किसी के साथ होते हैं ना, वो unsaid खुशी होती है without even talking. The vibe of that person, that energy of that person just lifts your energy no matter how sad or bad your day has been or was. So I think, someone like that it should have that magic.
yeah, like that spark that you see and you're just
Spark.
like,
वो
Yeah.
गिटार बजना चाहिए.
Guitar बजना
guitar
चाहिए.
बजना.
Yes.
music should swell. Yeah.
That is important.
Yeah, very important. Most
But on sets का मुझे कोई stories बताओ कि what is that one thing that you have learned while playing your characters individually? Because there's too much depth in the characters that you're playing. There's too much love. There's too much love. I know there is a backstory behind all this, but there's love at the surface. So I want to know what have you learned while shooting for the film about yourself? Huh?
About myself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a tough one.
I think I've learned that I'm a very resilient person. I've always thought that I was a little more flimsy and I didn't like, once something came my way, a problem, I would run away. But I realized I'm a very resilient person. Yeah.
I think there's a certain kind of calmness that I have got from this set. I mean, a calmness and एक
You want to place it here?
Yeah,
ठहराव होता है ना जो हम बात करते हैं.
That's the Asian style pizza.
Oh wow,
Just very different from the normal pizza. And just try. It's a 2-pound chicken pizza.
nice.
So it's a small activity which is going to do it.
Oh, okay. So I just felt that वो मेरे में है. मुझे लगता था वो मेरे में नहीं है. But playing this character is what I realized that I can. It's my head which is constantly working and thinking. So I lose out on that calmness before the storm. Not before the storm, but otherwise in general, I mean, I can be. I don't have to always be in that.
भागम दौड़ी. Yeah, भागम दौड़ी वाला.
Yeah, restless.
I have that a lot.
Yeah.
But did things change for you post Gangubai?
Yeah. I mean, absolutely. I mean, the awareness that he can act. Someone like Sanjay sir has picked him up, so there is a kind of sense of क्या बोलते हैं उसको validation मिल जाता है industry को कि अरे यार मतलब he has done that project, so there's something in him which has clicked for a big director like him and with the audience also. So definitely that has happened. The projects that are being offered, people see me in different light, so that big change has definitely happened. And even in terms of my performance, I feel there's a lot different. I mean, I used to be a different performer back then, before Gangubai happened, before Sanjay Sir's set, and I am a different performer
Now.
post that. Yeah.
What about you, Sai? Things have changed for you since the first film that you have done now till now.
Drastically. I mean, in a big way, because before the first film, I was literally preparing to go to university. I was sending out applications. I was,
She wanted to be a banker,
investment
banker.
Wow.
on Wall Street.
And
But then I mean, so basically in the 11th to the 12th grade was when I could actually tell my parents that I wanted to act. Because I don't know, I'm always scared to tell them. I never accepted it and I was like, no, I don't want to.
In the 11th and the 12th grade, I finally told them in the last.
okay.
Because they were like, कहाँ से आ रहा है? ये क्या नया भूत है? Because I'd never told them. I wanted to start acting when I was 8 years old actually. Because I'd gone on a set with dad. And I had a lot of fun. I was like, either I want to be a director or an actor. But I never told them because they were very like particular about my studies and they were like, whatever you have to do, you do complete your studies first. I was like, yeah, fair enough. So I told them in the 11th and 12th, they laughed because I was in no way prepared to be an actor. Like I was doing theatre in school, a lot of it. I was learning a lot about theatre, but I was in no way prepared to like go act in front of a camera at that point. So in the 11th grade, I went to Juhi Babbarji.
Oh.
Very intensive training we did with her, and she was that big change in my life. I feel like she's my turning point, and I can't thank her enough for whatever she did for me. And
This before Dabang?
before that. And by the time I was actually sending out my applications and stuff, I got a call for Dabang. And then applications went out the window, studying went out the window, everything like bye bye. And I have come. So it was a very overnight change for me, in fact, because I was preparing technically for it, but I didn't expect it to happen so soon. Like I was in the 12th week when I got that call. So I did not expect that it would happen tomorrow. I thought, okay, I'll start preparing. I have 3 years. I'll go to college, I'll come back, I'll prepare more, then I'll see. It just happened. So I feel like I've manifested it in some way. And it happened, and now, yeah, I'm just going where life takes me. I don't know what I'm doing at this point.
You're doing great. Believe me, you're doing great. Yes or no, Shantanu?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes. We are very. I've seen her since her first film.
Yeah.
And
Even
I've seen the
her
growth.
first
Yeah,
film,
I've
yeah.
seen the growth. Really?
Yeah, I have. I have seen Dabang ji.
I'm not really watching Dabang 3.
The growth also, yeah.
Then how did you see me in this?
No, matlab, I to met her since her. matlab.
Arey, but you were there, out there, na? You're
Oh,
a
like
public
that.
figure, yaar. I mean, you don't have
No,
to
I'm
totally
talking
know.
about like Milna Julna has
मैं
happened.
तो public
since-
as a third person point of view I'm saying like as a public figure मेरे she became it was a rage when you came like Dabang 3 मिली है सही Manjrekar is coming that was
The first article came out about my sister Ashu.
What?
She's in Dabang 3.
Huh?
Yeah. And then there was a whole Wikipedia article about how I assisted in Astitva. I think Ashu had assisted or nobody had assisted in Astitva actually. And I was like, how? I wasn't born. How is that humanly possible for me to assist? Or Vastav or something. And Vastav came out in 2002.
Okay.
I just when I was a 1-year-old, I was giving clap apparently.
oh
So I was like, भाई कहाँ से हो रहा है मैथ? ये मैथ नहीं हो रहा है. I do not math.
But whatever happened for good. I believe that, and both of you are here. And I can't wait to watch the film because I can see that. Like I said, for me, अगर एक love story दे दो, मैं ऐसी सब चारों पैर में चली जाऊँगी. So this is.
nowadays love stories are not being made like out and out
Yeah.
you have to have like some kind of rom-com element to it but
Yeah.
वो भी hardly नहीं बन रही है so like it's a very typical it's a clutter breaker kind of a film I would say
Yeah.
in a way it's a fresh take on
yeah.
love story
Absolutely.
and this also ki यंग कोई और प्ले कर रहा है, बड़ा कोई और
या नॉर्मली वो नहीं दिखाते हैं, बट योर स्टोरीज आर पैरेलल एक्चुअली. जो y'all are there a lot, like I can see all. Yeah,
So, I mean that's what वो रेयर है इंडियन सिनेमा में. काफी आई डोंट नो हुआ है कि नहीं, आई वुड नॉट से एग्जैक्टली, बट मैंने नहीं देखा है काफी टाइम से.
Love
So whenever I have grown up and have understood started watching films, I have not seen something like that. So that's good. You have VFX option, but no, you're going ahead with something that director wants, like
Yeah.
different set of actors, and people are agreeing to do something like that. Like superstars like Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am agreeing to do something like this is also a big thing for us, I would say. You know,
Yeah.
so yeah.
but I need to tell you, and I need to praise you for that. You have captured his body language perfectly. There's that scene no, where he jail wala he's you're walking and then Devgan comes. And I'm like, whoa. That's a very cool shot, and that looks really amazing because you've captured him very, very well. So, kudos to both of you for that.
Sweet of you. So lastly, फटाफट ऐसे
खा लो.
Yeah, we're not eating and just talking.
Yeah. But I hope you all had a good time today
Absolutely.
because I thoroughly enjoyed.
it was fun. I mean, yeah, we are short on time, but I think we made good use of our time
Yes.
preparing something which I have never experienced.
I've not
Sahi
tried the
guided.
ramen yet. I want to try
Please
it.
do. So now
On camera? Let's see pies first.
no, please have
very
मेरे को short
sloppy
भी चाहिए ना.
ramen eater.
I need to have a.
Reaction, true reaction.
She's eating so carefully.
This is like, you know, okay,
Oh,
Amazing,
Spicy?
but it hit my throat.
very spicy. Very spicy for you?
No.
You. Oh, that's good.
I'm a
You can have like really
A
spicy.
little bit.
मेरे घर पे आओगे तो आप खाना नहीं खाओगे. I तो eat a
मतलब
lot of
मेरे को लग
spicy.
रहा है मराठियों का वो होता है ना वो ठेचा.
Techa.
ठेचा, yeah.
Even South Indians make really good spicy food.
मैंने
Huh?
भाई एक दिन वो रोटी के साथ में अगेन आई थॉट इट्स अ ग्रीन चटनी चटना देना यार और मेरे
कान ला लोगे.
कान सुन हो गए थे. I took it like हाँ मतलब ऐसा था. I was like walking going for a shot like ऐसा खप करके निकल गया.
ज़्यादा लिया होगा.
ऐसा हो गया मतलब तो भाई क्या था ये. I had never heard of it.
But you don't eat spice at all. You don't eat spicy at all.
Not that spicy.
Okay. Medium spicy.
is my taste.
This won't be spicy if you were there.
It's decent spicy, not that spicy. So yeah, I mean, do watch. Our film is releasing
I was just gonna say that.
on 5th July. औरों में कहा दम था. प्लीज जाकर देखिए. बहुत मेहनत की है and पॉपकॉर्न के साथ आप भी खा लीजिएगा. इसके साथ देखिएगा. मजे कीजिए.
बहुत खाना खाइए और फिर जाके पेट भर के हमारी फिल्म देखिए.
हाँ और अगर आपको अच्छी लगी फिल्म तो दूसरों को भी बताइए. I think that is also a
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
best
important.
way
Very important.
to
Word of mouth is very, very
word of
important.
mouth. Cheers guys.
Well, thank you for doing this.
Thank
And औरों में क्या दम था हमने दिखा दिया कितना दम है हमारे में. और हमने अजी thank you so much guys for doing it. Lots of love for the film and for you all always.
Thank you.
Done. Woo.